Welcome to Wealth Automation with AI Episode 2. We are decoding the ChatGPT ecosystem. We're talking prompts, personas, and productivity. First, memorize the prompt equation: context plus specific task plus output format. This equals a high-value AI response. Don't just say, write an email. Say, act as a CEO, write a 3-sentence email to a client in a professional tone. Remember, it's not just chatting. ChatGPT is multimodal. It can browse the web, analyze data, generate images, and even see with vision. The ecosystem includes the web, the mobile app, and custom GPTs. Next, personas, assigning a role. Start your prompt with act as a professional role, whether it's a coder, a lawyer, or a chef. The more specific the persona, the better the output. Commanding the format. Never settle for a messy wall of text. That is bad output. Tell the AI how you want the data presented. Ask for tables, bullet points, Python code, or even JSON. Midpoint check, custom instructions. Why does this matter? Stop repeating yourself. Tell the AI once who you are and how you want it to respond, and it will remember for every new chat. Let's look at a workflow. Instant summarization. Upload PDFs or meeting transcripts, then ask, summarize the top 3 actionable insights for a business owner. 1. Focus on high margins. 2. Automate service. 3. Expand markets. Workflow number 2. Content drafting and ideation. Generate 10 video ideas or draft social media captions. The key benefits? Overcome blank page syndrome in seconds. So, here is how you master ChatGPT for wealth. Number 1, use the prompt equation for every task. Number 2, always assign a persona to narrow the focus. Number 3, set up custom instructions to save hours of repetition. Upgrade your productivity with AI. Next up, drafting blog posts and ad copy with generative AI. I'm Neo, let's build the future.